aspire to do with Deep Dive Dubai is make diving accessible to all visitors of the city, all residents in the city. We already have a thriving diving community which we hope to grow, and we hope for all of them to call this place home. The space here, the underwater adventure, is designed in a way to engage with the guests and with the visitors over and over. There's a lot to see underwater. There's a lot to see underwater here, and I think what we hope to do is educate the community about diving and help divers upskill so they can see more of the world. Diving has been a big part of the culture and the heritage of the UAE, and with the innovation we have here, we think we can make diving part of the future of Dubai and the UAE. We think and we aspire with this facility to really grow the community of divers in the region, and we hope to become a diving destination globally.